Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we are starting this derby. Just kidding. We are not starting this derby because the head is completely stripped where the spark plug goes. I tried to screw the spark plug in and it wouldn't screw in. When I pulled the spark plug out, there was aluminum all over the threads. This is the worst moped I think I've ever bought. Everything on it is either stripped or just wrong. And so tonight we're going to fix the head by putting in a thread insert for the spark plug. First thing I'm going to do is remove the head. This requires an 11mm socket. It's a little hard to see, but these threads are completely trashed and there is aluminum stuck in them. I picked up this little kit on Amazon. It is a 14mm spark plug hole fixer. It comes with these little inserts in this tap. So we're going to tap it and try to install one. It's a 21. I'll put some cutting oil on it. Oh, no way, I think we got it. Alright. Just gonna put some all-purpose lube on it. Run this thing all the way through. Alright. I think we have less threads in there than what we started with. So you're supposed to thread this onto the spark plug. I don't know, put some Loctite on there or something. And then thread it all in. You know, it's actually pretty tight. I don't know if I trust that or not. It has like 2 threads in there. Okay. No, it just spins. Yeah, this thing's fucked. Alright, this little thread thing didn't work. The head is trash. This part was like 15 bucks. And yeah, it didn't work. Oh well. I guess it's time to throw a kit on the derby. If anybody wants a trashed head, let me know. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time.